Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to look at my espresso, and the reason being, whenever I turn on my Nespresso I get the green light, but after I do one of the coffees the light, it turns different colors. So it's time to descale. There's the light, it turns green and red. And here is the descaling solution, and this is what it looks like. This box comes with two. Here's one, here's the other one, and it's a liquid. And the purpose of the liquid is just to clean your Nespresso machine, and the indicator lets you know that it's time to do so. And this unfortunately doesn't have instructions, but there are plenty of videos to let you know how to do so. The first thing that you have to do on the machine is get rid of the capsule that it's here. Also get rid of any capsules that are back here, and also clean your container. So you can go ahead and clean this, and here, and you can do so with warm water, and then we can continue to the next step. You need about half a liter in the tank. Once you fill it up with half a liter of water, then go ahead and put the liquid in here. Here is the liquid, and just make sure you don't get it on your eyes. Just make sure that you just put it in here and throw this out right away. And here's the solution. So everything's in there. And now we can go ahead and put the tank back into its place. And now we're gonna go ahead and come over here and close this. So now let's turn off the machine by pressing this for more than 3 seconds. And now the machine is off. Make sure that you have a container so the water can drip onto it, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it by the sink, so any water is gonna drip onto the sink. So I'm gonna take this off, and to get into the menu mode on the machine, you gotta press and hold both buttons, the one up here and the one down here. Press them both at the same time for 3 seconds. Once you get this color, then you're in the menu. Once you're here, you can go ahead and enter the descaling mode, which you press this down once, and this starts blinking, so it's ready. So now you gotta push this once, and there. Now what it's gonna do is it's gonna take all the stuff that's in the machine and take it out through here. And I'm gonna show you. It doesn't look too dirty right now, but usually it does. And once it's done, it's gonna stop by itself. And while it's cleaning, let me show you the cup. This is what's in there. Now the color is because it has some of the descaling in it, but the coffee that's there is what was in the machine, so that's why we have to get rid of the buildup that's throughout the entire machine. So now it's at the end of the solution. It has ran out of water, so now once it's done with all the water, then you can go ahead and go up here and press this and this at the same time for more than 3 seconds. Once this turns green, then you're out of the descaling mode. We need to rinse the machine from the liquid that we just put on there. So what we're gonna do is take off the tank. So I filled it up with water, and before that I washed the entire thing inside and out. So now that it's filled with water, we're gonna put this back. Another thing that you have to keep in mind is that every week you're supposed to rinse your Nespresso, and to do that, go ahead and get rid of any pots that you have in here. Close it. This is gonna start blinking until it's warm. So once it's green like that, then you press it 3 times within 3 seconds. And now it's gonna rinse, and you're gonna do this every week so you can get anything that's in here out of the machine and to keep it clean. And the machine is gonna go ahead and get the clean water, rinse the machine, and it's gonna stop by itself once it's done. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.